Hello everyone, Hichai here from ArmourUP, and today we are going to do an unboxing video for the Flow Mini. Let's go! I've been selling this Flow Mini massage gun for about 5 months already, and I realized that we haven't had an official unboxing video on the Flow Mini itself. So during this COVID-19 situation, it's a good time if you can come down to our shop and see the product. I thought we might do an unboxing video for you today. There we go. And what's included in the box, of course, standard will be first of all a charger for the Mini. Then comes with instruction manual as well. Then standard 4 attachment. First we have the bullet head, and we have the hammer head, the fork, and lastly the Flow Mini itself. What is so unique about the Flow Mini is the weight itself. It's the lightest massage gun right now on the market. It weighs about 800 grams. Comes with 2 to 3 hours of battery life. And also for the handle itself, the grip is smaller, easier to hold. We have a lot of feedback from female customers previously that the Flow Pro 1 is too big, so they said that they want a smaller grip one, and here we go. It's a 10mm of amplitude, so it gives you a pretty deep massage, just like the usual or more commonly found massage gun right now in the market. Most of them are at a 10mm range with 3 speed. Speed 1, 1800 RPM. Speed 2 is 2004, and speed 3 is 3000 RPM. And lastly, we have the flow mode. Flow mode starts from speed 1 and goes up to speed 3 and just keeps cycling. For the sound itself, it's about 55 to 60 decibels like that. It's quiet enough to use in the office or in your bedroom. It's not the noisy kind of massage gun. And to the attachment itself, it comes with this ball head. Ball head is made of this closed PU foam. You can have a look. It's pretty smooth. This kind of material, you can wipe it down if you are using it after a workout and you are sweating a lot. You can just wipe it down and it will be clean. Then to change the attachment, simply just pull and give it a little bit of a twist, and it should pop off like this. And you can attach the other attachment to it. Just simply press in and give it a little screw, and it will be in. For the attachment itself, I would say most people will prefer to use the ball head. The ball head is more comfortable because it's softer. You can use it on any part of your body. If you need something harder, you can try using the bullet head. This is very targeted. You can use for smaller muscle area, or if you find that you have a particular knot that's there and you want something harder to press on it, yep, you can use the bullet head. It's very targeted, and this is solid, this is hard. It will be quite painful. And of course we have the fork head. Fork head is like 2 bullet head add together. That's how I want to see it. Initially it's designed for your Achilles heels. You can use it for your lower back. It will avoid the spine, and you can just hit the muscle just beside it. Then you can use on bigger muscle group as well. You can just hit on it like your quads if you want it. Yep, but this is also pretty painful, the fork head. Then we have the hammer head. This hammer head is smooth. It's used mainly for sliding and gliding. If you want to increase blood flow on a certain area, you can use the hammer head. All Flow product comes with 1 year local warranty. So anything happen to your gun, just look for your local distributor and you will be able to get a one-to-one exchange on the damaged product. Finally, who should buy this flow gun? Is it for you? For most of our customers that walk into the store, I will ask them a simple question. Do you go to a masseuse often? And if so, do you like a harder massage or a softer one? Most people that say that they like a harder massage, I will recommend them to get the Flow Pro Plus or even the Terragun. Yep. But for normal people, I would say that this is more than enough. And for us Asian, we are not too big size. This is more than enough for most people. Currently, we have stock for this in Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, and coming soon will be Thailand. If you need any of this stock, just slide us your DM, just DM us, or you can contact the local distributor, which we will be linking it down below in the video. And thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy yourself and take care, man.